One of the things the Torah tells us that if you gave someone a loan, you can take a guarantee. Yes, but if the other person is poor, very poor, and you take something that he needs, like his pajama, for instance, because he's poor, he doesn't have a lot of stuff, you need to bring it back in the evening so you can sleep with his pajama. So you come in the morning, you take the pajama as a guarantee, and then you need to come back in the evening and bring back his pajama. Okay, that's great, and then you start to ask yourself, so what's the point here? If I took a guarantee, so I will have a guarantee, but I need to bring it back every evening, so what's the point? I'm just wasting my time and I don't have a guarantee. If God didn't want me to have a guarantee, He could have just write, don't take a guarantee from the poor people. You're right. If this is what God wanted, so the poor will have a pajama, He could have just write, don't take his pajama. But God wanted another thing. He wanted you to feel in your heart the other person. You know in your brain that he's poor. You gave him a loan, but you don't feel it inside. God wanted you to go there, bring his pajama back every day, so you will feel, you will see, how does he live? He has no more clothes. He needs the pajama. See his family. Do they have food? How the fridge looks like? You will now understand better. You will understand in your heart, with your emotions, with your feelings, you will understand the other person. Only then you can become a really better person, not with your mind, with your heart. Then you can become more closer, more similar to the actions that God does with us. You know, He gives us and gives us. He knows what we feel. God wanted you to feel the same. So you'll be close to the other person, related to the other person, and then you can really help other people.